Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from BigCommerce Payouts step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your BigCommerce Payouts, start by logging into your BigCommerce account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Store Setup section found on the left-hand menu. In this section, look for the Payments option and click on it. You will see an overview of your payment providers. Locate the BigCommerce Payouts area and click on it to access your payout details. Next, check the available balance displayed on the screen. If you see funds available for withdrawal, click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. Choose the method that best suits your needs, such as a bank transfer or PayPal. Enter the necessary information for the selected withdrawal method. Double-check all entered details for accuracy to avoid any issues. Once everything is confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Keep in mind that withdrawals may take a few business days to complete. Monitor your account for updates regarding this. If you encounter any issues, reach out to BigCommerce support for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your earnings from BigCommerce Payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.